The facade we produce by 3D printing and using recycled material. After the lifespan, it gets shredded and recycled again. And we can print with the material itself, like 100%, a new facade. We see a huge potential of this closed material circle in the future construction industry. Our office is specialized in 3D printed architecture, and our main focus is on 3D printed building facades, which are multifunctionally and made out of recycled material.
After meeting Weber Additive a few years ago and seeing their innovative technology, it was for us an easy decision to invest in a machine for large-scale printing. 3D printing gave us the opportunity to provide products to a wide field of customers.
The Weber DXR system uses advanced robotic technology to precisely handle high output materials like the Ultrafuse rPETG material. Our decades of experience gives us a lot of expertise and know-how about how to really master the process of material extrusion.
We have a digitalized world, and especially in construction we use a lot of digital tools for the planning stage. So everything is a 3D model. So that's our aim as well, that we are producing the facade elements in one go without support material, that it's really finished after you take it off the printer. There's no post-processing.
The great benefits using robotic large-scale 3D printing is obviously the freedom of design you have.
The transparency of this material gives us a certain freedom to really open up a different market in 3D printing. So this makes this material always really interesting to work with, and we get really great results by using it.
With the Ultrafuse rPETG material, we have really great results so far, which is obviously a recycled material, which has great benefit on sustainability. And with the support from the guys from Forward AM, we'll push the boundaries to use this great material in even more applications.
Right now, the building environment has a huge impact, up to 40% on the CO2 footprint worldwide. And we really now have the chance here with the 3D printing to close the digital chains. And this is a little bit what I see in the future of the building. There will be, as we already can see, 3D printed houses. This gives great opportunity to solve a lot of problems in the future. And I'm really looking forward to see that all coming.